So student, in last lecture we have gone through the some properties. We are going to continue that particular point, that is nothing but the properties and importance of spices. We got an idea that the spices is produced in large quantity in India, and we can say that India is having a majority of the market in a global area, we can say. So in this way we can say the spices are having the different types of properties. Say for example, spices are well known as a appetizer. So generally we consume these particular spices as a appetizer. Now along with that they add some taste, we call it as a tang, and flavor to the given food or the prepared food. So commonly suppose we can add some parameters to the food material, and they produce some aroma, they produce some extra taste, or they produced flavor to that particular food material, and that is most important property of the spices. Not only this, some of them or some of these spices also possesses antioxidant or antioxidant properties. For example, we can say clove and mustard. They are also added to the food material as a preservative, and hence we can say that the spices is having the preservative quality. Some have strong antimicrobial or antibiotic activities. For example, turmeric. Sometimes we use garlic. So this turmeric, garlic, they both act as a antimicrobial or antibiotic activities. And for this reason, from very long duration, not only in India but also in the world, these additives or these particular spices is added to the material like pickle, we can say. So food material is stored for the longer duration by the addition of this particular type of spices. Say for example, we can add turmeric, or we can add garlic, or we can add ginger. So these additions helps to store this particular food material for the longer duration. So the perishable quality of that particular food material is enhanced, and the perishable food will stored for the longer duration. Along with that, the spices or several spices possesses the medicinal properties. So we can say that these antimicrobial, antioxidant, or or we can say these properties, antioxidant, these properties helps and called as a medicinal property of that particular spice or spices. Some spices stimulate secretion of digestive enzymes and helps in digestion. For example, ginger. So ginger is having a stimulating secretions that we consume, and these enzymes helps our digestion and makes the process of digestion easy. Some spices like garlic, when consumed in a diet, reduce serum cholesterol level and may decrease the risk of heart attack. So when we overall look at these properties of the spices, we can say that they have two major properties. The first, as a health benefits. Okay, so the first benefit or first property of the spices and condiments is the health related properties. So in different way, these spices helps human being to cure their health, to remain the fit by consuming these particular spices. The another property of these particular spices is the preservative properties. When we add these spices to the food material, it will act as a preservative, and the food material is preserved for the longer duration. So these are the two major properties: one, health related property, and second, preservative property. So these particular properties helps us or due to presence of these particular properties in spices, we are going to add these spices to the food material. Not only in India but also throughout the world, spices has been added to the food material. Not only spices, condiments are also added to the food material to increase the taste of that particular food material, to increase the preservative property of the material, or to increase the health related benefits of the food material. We consume these spices to the food material. So in this way we stop with this today. In upcoming lecture we are going to talk about the uses of these spices and the market of these spices in the world.